Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a blog post to your website or edit existing blog posts. So the first thing you want to do is log into your website, put in your username and password and press login. This is after you've put your domain on the address bar and it's going to take you to the dashboard. So once on the dashboard, you want to click on the top left here, which is your site title, to go to the front end of the website. So you have your different pages, but I'll just go straight to the blog page. So while on the blog page, you can see the different sections here. Now to add a blog to your website, on the top left here, click on this section that says new, then click post. This will take you to this section here. So you want to begin by adding a title to your blog, to your website. So let's call it sample blog post. Once you've done that, you want to click on this section here that says use default editor so that you can begin to type out your blog post. Once you're done, you'll want to come to the bottom right here to set an image for your blog. So click on featured image, set featured image. This is going to take you to your media library where you'll find pre-installed images that come with this site. Or alternatively, you may want to have your own pictures for your blog. So what you'll do is go to this section that says upload files, select files, and choose where those images are saved. So these could be saved on your desktop, your downloads folder, but you can also download images from sites like unsplash.com. That's UNSPLASH, or Pexels, PEXELS, and these sites usually provide high definition copyright free images that you can download to your website and upload to the media library. Now, every time you upload images to your library, they'll always be saved. So for example, for this blog post, say we want to use this image here. Click on that, and on the bottom right, click Set Featured Image. So you can see the image appears on this section. Now you'll want to scroll up here to the categories section. If you want to add different categories to your website, what you'll do here is add a new category, give your category a title, let's call it Europe. Now, for example, if you're writing different blog posts for Europe or for Asia, once you've set up your blog, you want to come and add here to the new category. And once you've set up your blog, you can check what particular category you want the blog post to appear. So you can have more than one categories, or you can have an individual category. For now, let's set Europe. Then you'll want to come here and change the author name to your name. And then scroll up to this section and click on Publish. The first time you do that, you'll have the option to make your blog post public, private, or password protected by checking any of these features. And then if you scroll down to this section here, you can also schedule the blog post if you don't want to publish immediately. So you can set it to go out on a specific date at a specific time. For now, let's go ahead and click on Publish. So now the blog post is updating, and once that's done, we'll click on the WordPress sign on the top left here, which will take us back to the dashboard where all the blog posts have been saved. So once you're on this section, if you look on the left here where it says posts, once you click on all posts, you'll be able to access all your blog posts. So for example, if you want to edit Hello World, just click on the title of that particular blog post. And then you can run a quick edit here. For example, let's give world a capital W. Below that is where you'll be able to write out your content. Then on the top right, click on update. For this particular blog post, we are not clicking publish since it was already published. So once that finishes updating, remember also in the category section, if you wanted to add Hello World to any of these categories, you can do that and then click on update. So once that finishes updating, we'll click again the WordPress sign to go back to the dashboard. Under each particular title, you can run a quick edit if you'd like. You can trash a blog post or you can edit. So if you wanted to run a quick edit, just click on that and it will bring this section. So here is where you can change the title, the slug, which is usually what appears on the URL. And on the right here, you can also edit the categories. And then on this section here that says status, you can choose to leave a blog post in draft or to publish a blog post. And once that's done, just click on update to save that change. So if we go back to the top left here, click on the site title, and then go to the blog page here, we should be able to see the blog post that we published. Here we go. So if this had any content, once you click on it, you'll be able to read the content of this blog post. So that is how you can add a blog to your website.